Is your CenturyLink modem acting up? Slow speeds, no connection, or flashing lights? A quick reset can often solve the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Factory reset using reset button. Before proceed for reset, keep in mind, factory reset erase internet settings along with Wi-Fi names, passwords, and other custom settings to defaults. Step 1. Locate reset button. Locate the reset button, usually a tiny hole on the back. Reset button location can differ for each CenturyLink modem and router's model number. Use a paperclip to press, hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Release when the lights blink or turn off. Wait 5 minutes for the modem to reboot fully. After resetting, reconnect to Wi-Fi using the default name password. Check the modem's label. If you had custom settings, log in to the modem's admin panel 192.168.0.1 to reconfigure. Method 2. Reset modem from web interface. Connect CenturyLink modem using Wi-Fi or wired from laptop or PC. Open a browser, Chrome, Firefox. Type 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Press Enter to load the login page. Use admin login username and password. Default username and password is admin. Now click on Utilities icon. Under Utilities, go to Restore Default Option from left side menu. Then press Restore button. Press OK to confirming reset router and wait 3 to 4 minutes while router restoring default settings and rebooting. After reset modem, reconnect with default settings and configure again. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.